The average American spends over $12,000 every single year just to keep a car in the driveway. That's $1,000 a month leaving your bank account whether you drive it or not. To stop that leak, we are running a 4-step car expense audit. This system identifies exactly where you are overpaying and plugs those holes today. Before we start, gather 3 things: your current auto insurance policy, your vehicle owner's manual, and a standard tire pressure gauge. Spending 10 minutes on this checklist moves your vehicle from an unmonitored expense to a line item you actually control. Step 1 starts with your policy. Step 1 is your auto insurance. Go to an online insurance aggregator like the Zebra or Policy Genius, plug in your current coverage, and compare your rate against the broader market. You need to do this because insurance companies enforce a loyalty penalty. They rely on you not checking your rate year over year, which allows them to charge long-term customers higher premiums than brand new ones. Next, log into your current provider's portal and adjust your deductible from $500 up to $1,000. This single adjustment usually triggers an immediate rate reduction, dropping your premium by up to 15%. You should only execute this step if you already have a fully funded emergency savings account to cover that $1,000 if you get into an accident. Spending 30 minutes once a year to shop your rate and optimize your deductible reclaims hundreds of dollars that would otherwise go toward passive corporate profit margins. Step 2 targets the gas tank. Fuel efficiency is dictated by your daily driving habits, meaning your behavior directly controls this operating cost. Take that tire gauge and check your tire pressure today. Keeping your tires properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended level gives you an immediate 3% boost in gas mileage. Next, run through a daily drive checklist. Start by opening your trunk and removing any heavy items or equipment you don't need for that specific trip. This reduces unnecessary weight and aerodynamic drag. Then, adjust how you drive. Stop hard, aggressive acceleration off green lights and use cruise control on highways. This eliminates the fuel consumption spikes caused by erratic speed changes. Eliminating these daily micro-inefficiencies compounds. Over 10,000 miles of driving, these habit shifts keep hundreds of dollars in your bank account instead of at the pump. Step 3 requires fixing your maintenance schedule. Most people blindly trust the little plastic sticker the mechanic puts on the top corner of their windshield. This visual compares what the dealership tells you versus the actual engineering specs. The 3,000-mile rule is outdated. Modern vehicles using synthetic oil are engineered to last anywhere from 7,500 to 10,000 miles between oil changes. Open that owner's manual, find your specific service interval, and commit to that exact milestone. Then, peel that deceptive sticker off your glass. Now let's look at labor costs. Once your vehicle is out of its warranty period, taking it back to the dealership for routine maintenance is an unnecessary expense. Look at this invoice comparison. Independent mechanics deliver the same quality of work, but their labor rates run 30 to 40% cheaper than the dealership service center. Preventative care is essential to keeping your car running, but paying dealership premiums for maintenance your vehicle doesn't yet require is just a voluntary donation. Step 4 shifts our focus to long-term wealth protection. Knowing exactly when to sell is the most effective way to protect your long-term equity. This chart tracks the lifespan of vehicle ownership. The blue line represents the car's value, which plunges during the first 2 years of ownership due to rapid initial depreciation. Between years 3 and 7, that depreciation curve flattens out. This is the sweet spot. You bypass the steepest value loss, but the car remains highly reliable with minimal repair needs. But look at year 7. This jagged red line represents repair costs. Major component failures begin to spike, quickly outpacing the financial benefit of having no monthly car payment. When you hit that window, use seasonal timing to your advantage. List SUVs and trucks in the winter months when demand is high, and sell convertibles or sports cars in the spring to maximize your return. Perfectly timing your exit strategy before the repair bills spike prevents a depreciating asset from pulling down your net worth. We have now completed the 4-step audit. You've optimized your insurance, adjusted your daily fuel habits, corrected your maintenance schedule, and mapped out your exact resale timeline. Executing these 4 steps actively prevents thousands of dollars from leaking out of your net worth over the next decade. Check your owner's manual right now. Drop a comment below with the actual oil change interval you found hidden in your specific engineering specs. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep showing you how to reclaim the money you're currently losing to hidden costs.